the ultimate guide to human hair bundles. Upgrade your crown. Let's be real for a second. There is absolutely nothing like the feeling of walking out of the salon or your bathroom with a fresh install. You know the feeling I'm talking about when your hair swings when you turn your head. The volume is sitting just right, and your confidence is through the roof. It's not just hair, it's an attitude. But achieving that flawless look starts with one crucial foundation: high-quality human hair bundles. If you've been navigating the endless sea of hair extensions, trying to figure out the difference between Remy, virgin, straight, or wavy, you might feel a little overwhelmed. Don't worry, I've got you. Grab a coffee or a glass of wine, and let's break down everything you need to know about investing in your crown. https://the-ultimate-guide-to-human-hair-bundles #human hair bundles #human hair wet and wavy bundles #human hair wavy bundles #wet and wavy human hair bundles with closure #raw hair luxury